With its huge power and incredible precision, the Agrometer SRS 1200 puts on a performance show in the field. This machine shows all its skills in the field while distributing liquid fertilizer. It provides maximum efficiency by delivering tons of liquid per hour to the roots of the plants that need it. The machine's wide arm system scans every corner of the field equally. Its special nozzles operating at high pressure spray the liquid with millimetric precision, so no point is missed. Thanks to the machine's powerful pump system, liquid fertilizer is easily transported even to the longest distances. FlexiCoil 3850 combines seeding and fertilizing processes flawlessly, maximizing time and efficiency in agriculture, combining a huge workforce in a single machine. This technological marvel works like a maestro in the fields. It makes a difference with its compression power. With its high-capacity compression mechanism, the John Deere 348 creates each bale with equal density and durability. As it moves through the field, it compresses and wraps the materials it collects at a perfect speed and leaves regular bales behind. The New Holland Hymac easily manages hard soils and heavy loads thanks to its powerful hydraulic system. Its large bucket can move large amounts of material in minutes, while its digging equipment can handle even the hardest ground without any problems. This machine offers the ideal solution for both precise excavations and high-volume work. Vettrac eDrive is a versatile agricultural machine that saves time and labor in agricultural production. With its powerful engine, it can effortlessly perform operations that require tilling the soil, mowing and transporting plants, and maneuvering in narrow areas. It undertakes various tasks such as both mowing and weeding with different equipment that can be added to it. While it shows high durability even in difficult terrain, it offers operators easy use thanks to its user-friendly control system. This machine is designed to complete even the heaviest jobs expertly and quickly. It is an expert in difficult tasks such as digging soil, carrying stones, and land arrangement. This model, which is a true performance monster among heavy-duty machines, offers a perfect solution for professionals who want both speed and power. If you need huge power, it will exceed all your expectations. Ploger MKC 2TR is the greatest assistant for those looking for high efficiency and speed in the agricultural sector. This machine is a wonder designed especially for vegetable harvesting operations. Thanks to its two-row operation, it can collect products in a short time even in large areas. The sensitive collection system, which does not damage the products during harvest, both protects quality and saves time. New Holland T7270 is an indispensable solution for heavy work in the agricultural sector. This tractor provides great convenience to farmers, especially in basic tasks such as plowing the fields, planting, and transporting crops. Its powerful engine allows you to prepare the soil in a short time by pulling large plows and planting machines without difficulty. In post-harvest product transportation works, it speeds up the logistics process by easily carrying trailers. Think about it. These small, compact vegetables have to be meticulously picked from the soil to our tables. It used to take hours, even days. But now, harvest, sort and organize in minutes. Yes, this machine does it at almost the speed of light. The most important feature of this miracle is its capacity to process the entire field in a single pass. Yes, you heard it right. It carries, distributes, and processes products weighing tons in seconds. Slow-working machines? They are history. The ZA215EH offers speed and power at the same time. This machine is not ordinary. It is a complete expert in the greens in the fields. The blades on it separate the lettuce from the roots with millimetric precision, while at the same time collecting the products without any damage. This revolutionary machine completes the work that would take hours with human power in minutes. Each movement is a work of mastery. It carefully collects hundreds of lettuces per minute without wasting anything. It is impossible not to be amazed by this technology that lightens the load of farmers working in the fields, saves time, and almost doubles the production. This incredible machine is literally revolutionizing the world of tree transportation. It cuts through the soil like a work of art, with giant blades surrounding the tree, expertly wrapping the roots around it. Every move before moving the tree to its new location is with surgeon precision. It completes a difficult process that would take hours and minutes, and it does it so gracefully that it is impossible not to be mesmerized while watching. GEL 7810 puts on a show when it goes out to the field to carry heavy loads and make difficult jobs easier. It literally says there is no one faster or stronger than me, with the weights it lifts and the ground it digs. Moreover, it creates miracles even in narrow areas with its maneuverability. The OMC Hedgehog performs flawlessly even in the most difficult areas of the soil. With its hundreds of small, fast movements, it scans the field from end to end. Cleaning, weeding, and arranging the soil is now child's play. Its functionality is so impressive that it is impossible not to be amazed when watching how fast and efficient it can be. The Kubota M108S's capabilities are simply astounding. Whether it's plowing, transporting crops, or pulling equipment, it proves to be the best in its class in every move it makes. It can move quickly across large fields and skillfully maneuver in tight spaces, making it the farmer's most reliable helper.